Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. So today, sorry if I sound a little robotic. Like I said, I got a really bad cold and fever yesterday, so I'm just recovering from it, should I say? And my voice is pretty shot. So, yeah. But in today's basically deal of the day I saw was from Samsung.com. So I usually like going through Samsung's website or LG's website to see if they have any good deals. And I saw right here that Galaxy S8 Plus 64GB model is actually on sale for $244, guys. $244. That's a $500 savings from the original retail price of $744. That's a crazy good deal, and I don't know who wouldn't want to jump into this deal. Now this is the Sprint version, so if you want to get Sprint in your area, if you know that Sprint's good in your area or Boost Mobile's good in your area, just know that it runs off Sprint, so you might want to jump on this deal. Like I said, also, they have another deal going on where it says buy a Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, Note 8, Note 9. And you can save $100 off 8kg and 60 noise canceling headphones, limited time only. So pretty cool. So you can see it's a very nice phone, guys. This phone is a brand new model. It's not a pre-owned or certified pre-owned or refurbished at all. It's brand new out of the box. So pretty cool. Like I said, it's $244, or you can, if you don't have the $244, you can sign up with Sprint's 24 monthly installments and get it for only $10.17 a month for 24 months at 0% APR, or you can just buy it outright for $244. That's probably what I would tell you to go do it. Now, it looks like you might have to you can't get it online. You have to go to an online retailer or local retailer like a local Sprint store, Best Buy, or even Walmart if they have them. My local Best Buy carries these, and I have about 2 or 3 Sprint stores here in my area, so I can go pick it up. But I have the 9 Plus, so I don't really need it. But it's a really good phone. Last year's flagship phone, of course. Well, should I say? Last year, since it's 2019, so 2 years ago, since 2019, you know. Pretty cool, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you gonna jump on this offer? Like I said, the specs are pretty cool. It has, I believe, an 8. Well, let's see. Infinity display was the first phone to have infinity display, advanced camera, Bixby, 360 MVR. Main display is 6.2 inches because this is the Plus model, not the regular. Expandable memory, and you can see here's more specs here. Man, it's a nice phone. Dual edge Super AMOLED. This is rocking, I believe, an 835 processor. So overall, you're getting a really good deal, guys. So for anybody that likes gaming or anything like that, this is perfect for you. And even the camera is bananas. Water resistant, Bixby, all that good stuff. So here's some of the processor stuff up here. Let me just show you. Processor an octa-core 2.35 gigahertz quad plus a 1.9 gigahertz quad. So overall, it's very cool. Now, you might be saying, well, I have Boost. Now, remember, you can get it for this price, and then eventually, once it's paid off, you can get it paid. Once you pay it off, you can get it unlocked through Sprint, or you can go through like somebody that knows how to unlock this phone. There's a lot of websites out there that will unlock your phone. So, and then from there, you could basically use it on Boost Mobile, since the S8 Plus unlocked version can be used. If not, I'm pretty sure you can get a good deal with Sprint as well if that's something that you like. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and take some medicine because I have a big headache, but I thought it was important for me to bring this news to you guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want to check out my #1 supporter, netbuddy.co, you can check them out in the description below. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. Thank you, guys. And let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this a good deal? Like I said, you're saving $500 on flagship phone quality. So, yeah, I think it is. So, thank you.